Shakil is here. Okay. Assalamualaikum Shakil and Izzat. Come we start. This is a 2019. Shakil, very dark lah. Why you are inside the dark room? Buka lah lampu. Okay. Let me see why is this spooling now? Sekejap ah. Okay. Okay, can you try this too? Can see not? Disappear. I hope something happened to it. Can you see then? Can see, right? Can you see? Is that can see now? Okay. Can you try now? Go for this. Wow, so fast. Huh? Who is it? Okay, congratulations, Izzat. What about Shakil? What about Shakil? Question 1, what's the answer, Shakil? Which one? Izzat, you do question 2, you know? Wow, very fast. Your question number 2. How did you get that? I think you think it's minor. You think it's minus. Now they didn't give you meters here. No. If they put meters here, your answer is correct. Now what does it mean? It means 3/8 of it off means what? Times what? 5. So you gotta find it. Shakil, what answer number for question number 1, Shakil? Which one in the 6 got the smallest value? So you look at the 6 here. What's the value of 6 here? What's the value of 6 here? What's the value of 6 here? What's the value of 6 here?
Number 4.
Number 4, correct. Because this is 60 sahaja. Right? This one is 600. This is 60,000. This is 6,000. Well done. Number 4 is correct. What about the next one? Next one. This one is, he used 3/8 of it. So how much is left? Use 3/8 of it. Come on, this one's quite easy. Izzat, you must be able to get this right. Shakil too. You can use fraction method, you can use model method. Whatever you want. Okay, let's see whether you're right. What about Shakil? Shakil can do now. Okay. You can ask yourself, is that if 3/8 is used, how many 8 is left? How many 8? 3/8 is used, no?
I don't really know.
Okay, down here, see, we can draw. Okay, I draw a model to explain again. There is this cloth lah. This cloth, let's say we can bagi into 8 parts. Okay, we bagi 8 parts. 8 parts. Now 3 parts is used. How many parts is left? 5 parts. Because down here total is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you use 3, you must have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 minus 3 get 5 what? Now this is left. So how to find? Just take 5 over 8. This is the fastest way. 5 over 8 times what? Times 5 meters. You see, cannot divide. Never mind, top times top lah. 5 times 5, 25. 25 over 8. 25 over 8. Then you do long division lah. So when you do long division, what do you get? 25, you get 3 and 1 over 8. How you get 318? Some might see confused. I don't know what to do. Hello, Akil. Now down here, 8 times 3, 24 lah, right? You minus, so this one 3, 1. So you get what? 3 whole, see 3 whole, 1 over 8 meters. So, okay, 3 whole, 1 over 8. Can see that? Can see how I do? So this is one method using fraction. If let's say you use model, cancel. Because there's 8 parts here, you can take 5 divided by 8 for one part, right? 5 meters divided by 8, you get one part. Okay. So how many parts you want to find? You want to find 5 parts because that's the left one. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see? 5 over 8 times 5. Same thing lah. 5 over 8 times 5, same thing. Go one part is 5 over 8. You want 5 over 8 plus 5 over 8 plus 5 over 8 plus 5 over 8 plus 5 over 8. 5 over 8 times 5. You get the same thing, 25 over 8, which is 3 and 1/8 meters. Okay, I hope you are okay. We move on to the next one. Double decker. You all know double decker, huh? Right? It's also the name of I think prawn crackers. It's quite nice, huh? Prawn crackers, the double decker brand. Akil, okay, Akil. Akil. The other one is Share Akil. Akil, okay? Wow, so fast. Okay, one C, okay. All right. What about Shakil? How long do you think it is? Shakil, guess. Is it 11 cm, 11 meter, 110 cm, 110 meter? 100 meters.
110 cm.
110 cm is 110 cm. How many meters is 1.1? How do I know? 110 divided by 100, you know. So when you divide by 100, you must shift 2 decimal place. 1, 2, put a dot here. A 1.10 meter is shorter than you lah. This is Syekh Akil lah. Now he lie down Syekh Akil down here. Kepala down here. Let's say tangan. Let's say lah. And then kaki, you know. You are saying that the bus is shorter than you. If you say this is 110, what's your height? Maybe 1.6 lah, maybe. Check in. 1.6 meters or 160 cm. Cannot be the double decker is shorter than you. Macam mana nak masuk ni? Tak boleh lah. This is not motorbike. Yeah? So this one is out. Which one else? What else, Syakil? Which one you think it is? Syakil, which one? Guess, I guess. 11 cm is of course out lah.
I think it's like 11 meter.
11 meter, yes. Because 110 is too long. As I told you before, when you do the, you know, you run around the stadium down here, you know, they do the 100-meter dash. You know who's the 100? This is 100 meters though. It cannot be that 100 meters is the length of the double-decker bus. Might be the length of a train, not double-decker bus. Might be lah, maybe it's shorter. I think. 11 meters is correct. So how do we know? You ask yourself, if you lie down and say, Syekh lie down, this one lie down, then Izzat lie down, and then somehow Akil lie down, I lie down so lah. Okay, my height is 1.7. Let's say we take it lah, all of us, our height is 1.5. This is already 6 meters. See, when we lie down, we get about 6 meters. So you can, or 6 to 7 meters. So we need another 2 persons to lie down. So it's logical lah. The bus is that long. Okay. So you must be able to agak-agak. Must be able to agak-agak. Agak-agak means estimate lah. This one now. Now this one. Try It's very clear, right? The picture. If on your screen is not clear, that means you must adjust your screen, you know. Or maybe you use handphone habis lah. Two angles are the same. Hey, can you see the D? Oh, can you see the D? Yeah? Oh, Akil has sent me. No, Akil says this, huh? So, BOD. Have you calculated, Akil? Akil, from here to here is 90 degrees, you know. Can you see? BOD, yeah, BOD, yeah. BOD.
Sir,
Yeah, what's answer? Yes.
this one like using protector, right?
Yeah, but you
For
can
long time I
count.
never use protector, sir.
Alamak. You must count now. You
I
must count.
last used last year
Last year.
at
The tuition
April.
training center, I didn't use her. I thought I used right. We did some measurement, right? No, I did
No,
not.
but that one sometimes you also need to use ruler, right?
Oh, yeah.
That one
yeah.
you just want to see how many lob. I don't really
Know how to
know
measure.
how to use it.
Okay, we go through one by one. Okay, down here now, we go through Akil first answers. Akil says BOD, answer is 1. So BOD is
Number
90
two, number two.
Say number 2 now. So number 2, let's check lah. Let's check now. Shakil say he doesn't know how to measure. So okay, you say AOB. Let's see, AOB is how many degrees? How to count like that? You count from 50, 10, and see now, 20, 30, 40. Just nice. You see, it's all on the line out here. So this is 40 degrees. You say, is there another way? Yeah, there is another way. Take 90 minus 50. You also get 40. You can also do this way. Say 90, you can see 90 minus 50, you get 40. Yeah. So the other one, BOC. Akil say is the same. Let's count again. 10, 20, 30, 40. Well done, Akil. Both of them are equal. 40 degrees. So number 2 is correct. All right. How to count? Okay, if you can't remember, let's say now I give you an angle here. I test you all. You see whether you know. I draw an angle from here to here. The angle is from here to here. Contoh. You all know how much is the angle? Anyone can tell? Shakil? Akil? Is that? Akil says 50. 50, yeah, 60. 50, 60, 50. Let us see, yeah. Now this one is under here, no? What you do, you must extend the line, extend the line, extend the line, extend the line. Look, Akil, extend the line, extend the line, extend the line, extend the line. And then, is it 60 or 120? Depends on where you start to measure. If you start to measure here, it's 120. Because where you start to measure becomes 0. If you start to measure here, but there's no angle here, I only shade down here. Means you must take 0 to be here. So, Akil, you get it? Where the angle touches the 0, that's where you start. So then from here to here, 60, yeah? See, you can use the outer side. Don't use the inner side, don't count backwards, no. 180, 170, don't count backwards. Let's count on here. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, we move on, we move on. You have another 6 weeks more, before your exam. Find the average. EG. You must remember the formula for EG, yeah? EG lah. It's easy. Okay. Oh, wow. Akil, your hairstyle is nice today. What do you do?
I didn't do anything.
Okay. I mean, it looks nicer. Like, I do not know what it is. I'm not saying it's not nice before, but
Looks a bit curly, right?
a little bit curly, and then the first one like curry puff coming up. Not curry puff lah. Macam wavy gitulah. Macam you blow your hair gitu. All right, come on, everyone. Akil has given the answer. What about the rest of you? Akil, what about Izzat? Come on. The 3 musketeers. You are the 3 musketeers, huh? Both 3 of you.
So wait.
Yeah, we're waiting.
Yeah,
While we wait, those who finish, Akil, you can do number 6. Then the rest don't need to do number 6 unless you finish number 5 already. Akil, you try number 6, Akil. Don't wait, Akil. Don't wait.
Teacher, need to plus or times?
Yeah, you need to plus. Remember what's the formula? Oh, sorry. Let me just write. What's the formula? The formula is Tan. Remember Mr. Tan? Don't forget Mr. Tan. Mr. Tan. Okay. So you want to
Teacher, it's 21.
21. Is that you agree is 21? Is that also 21? So you add all of them first lah. What do you get? 30, 40, 40, 60, 70, 84. Then divide by 4. Well done, it's 21. Congratulations. Okay, can we try the next one then? So by the way, the formula is total over number. I hope you all know how to use the triangle. Wow, so fast, Mr. Akil. Okay, let's see here, right? Congratulations, Mr. Akil. Well done. Akil, are you getting better and better now, Akil? Your practice papers, do you pass already? Not yet. You try, you push yourself, you try, do some more papers, what questions you don't know, send it to me, I can go through during the class. Okay, same thing, all of you, same thing, your practice, whatever questions, this is the last 6 weeks. 6 weeks only, after that you can enjoy. While all the rest are in school, you can bring games to school. Normally they allow board games lah.
But it's on October, then the thing end what?
1st of October is your exam paper. But your school will continue to November, kan? I think will continue to November because the rest are still having school. So while the rest are having school, you are inside your classroom having games, Yes. Last time, pre-COVID time, they'll bring you out to zoo and whatnot, but now I do not know. Okay, come. What about the rest of you?
Last year, the P6 get to go treasure hunt at Garden by the Bay.
Gardens by the Bay during COVID time. Wow. Wow, fun,
Salah. Last year.
Last year, yeah. Yeah, that means you are in primary 4 then. So this year, you never know. Maybe they might be a little bit more lax. I do not know. But I doubt so. Okay, let's see now. 25 apples. Yeah, I'm waiting for Shakil and I think, but no answer yet. So now they're asking you for 1 hour 40 minutes. 1 hour 40 minutes how many? Is 100 minutes. So how I get 100 minutes? 1 hour is 60 minutes. Need 60 minutes now. 60 plus 40, 100 minutes. So from 1 to 100, you times by 100. Times by 100 also lah. You will get what? 250. Okay, is that okay? No, you understand that? Is that yes? So okay, because they ask you how many. Yeah, all right. Here we go. Shakil, come back, Shakil. Jangan main gelap, tempat gelapnya. This wire, the dawai I showed you the other day, right? So remember, this they give you the clue here. Oh, I want to underline. They give you the clue. So you must read the clue carefully. Okay, down here there's the clue already. Perimeter is the same. Is that you got no lemon tea today? No, only for yesterday. All right, let's see. Congratulations, Mr. Izzat, for the answer. What about Akil and Sheikh Akil, the two brothers? Don't call us brothers. Okay, Akil, well done. Sheikh Akil? Sheikh Akil, boleh tak? The perimeter is the same. So let's calculate the perimeter lah. So this one is 12. This is square now. Square means all four sides are the same. 12 times 4, 48. So the perimeter is 48. Okay. Then they say that this is the same string used. So this is also 48. But they tell you down here, what did they tell you? They tell you something down here. What is it? Down here is 10. Okay. Down here is 10. Down here is 10. Good. And this one, they don't know. They're asking you for this. So 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. 30 plus what equals to 48? That is the question. You just take 48 divided by 30, minus 30. You get 18. Because you have to understand what the question is saying. Perimeter, yes.
10 times 10 times 10 equals to?
No, 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30.
Oh.
Because perimeter, you don't times area, then you length times breadth. But down here, you cannot length times breadth because this is curve, we don't know. Down here can length times breadth. Okay, so not so difficult. You got to be able to do such thing. If you can't, you got to practice lah. Okay, we're gonna ask you. Remember, I'm just gonna write down the formula here, but we're gonna ask Sheikh Akil lah. Sheikh Akil, what's the formula for area, Sheikh Akil, of circle? Pi times
Pi times what do you want to find, Jeff?
area.
Area. Pi times R times R.
Good. What? Okay, this is area.
Pi R square.
Pi r squared. Good. What about circumference?
Pi times R.
Pi times d, pi times d, or 2 pi r. Same thing, because 2r is equals to diameter. Okay, you can say this formula or 2 pi r. Up to you. Okay, you try now. ORP. You can see they already indicate for you ORP. So notice, if they give you this like that, always is the center one down here is the angle. So down here they already indicate down here. They want to find this. Okay, very easy, very easy. Come on, very easy. You just need to think through what type of triangle this is. Izzat can do, Izzat. Oh, sorry, I didn't see what you say here. You finish your ice lemon tea. You have how many bottles you have? Satu ya. One only. Okay, Mr. Akil has given an answer. But Akil, your answer, there's a mistake, Akil. Please try again. Again, show me your answer again. Show me your answer. There's no one. No, you must check again. Must check it. Remember, boys, what is this? This is radius, This is radius, That means what? Oops, what type of triangle is this? You got to remember that. That means this is radius. This is radius. This is an isosceles triangle. These two angles are the same. Two angles are the same. Be careful, okay? Look out for that. Sorry, we don't even need to use this one now today. They're asking on angle. I have not read. I thought it's area perimeter. Don't need to use this one. You know, Izzat, you know. Okay, well done, Akil. What about Sheikh Akil? Abang Sheikh Akil, you know how to do that? Sheikh Akil dah penat. You look at him, dia dah give up. You look as if you are on a raft in the sea, seperti rakit di atas, di dalam ni, lautan luas ni. Dah putus asa. Don't be tired. Kesian dia. Okay, for Syakil, we must pity him lah. He go for madrasah, got double subjects, putting. Okay, so down here, you can find this angle, right? 180 minus 92. What do you get? You get 88. And then, now these two angles are the same, So you get 180 minus 88, answer divided by 2. 180 minus 88 is 92. Then we just do it. 180 minus 92 is 88. So 182 minus 88 is 92. Then 92 divided by 2, you get 46. Is that, you understand what I'm saying? Okay, so quite simple. Come on, you can do this, you can do this. You must believe you can do this. Remember, all of us are born what? Winners. As I told you, and I tell all my students, when mommy and daddy had us, even me, we were the one sperm that made it in all the 200, out of 200 to 300 million, we are the one that won, that become the human being we are. Therefore, we are born winners, not losers. We are born winners. How some of us become losers, that's another story. Okay? But Allah made us all winners. Okay, let's try now. Okay, remember down here it shows unsold tickets. That means this is not tickets sold, no. Tickets not yet sold. So can you see it going down? So as time passes, more people buy, the number of tickets not yet sold will go down. How many tickets were sold in the first hour? Come on, you can do this. Just the first hour saja. First hour. Akil, can Akil? Akil make mistake lah. He didn't read the question. Akil, this is not the ticket sold. Ticket not sold, unsold. So at first they got 120 tickets. And then they sell. The number of tickets will go down. You must be clear. This is not unsold, you know. That means you are at the counter. You at first you got 120. And then after 1 hour, how many tickets you have? Then you can find the amount sold. Which is what? Which is the amount down here lah. Down here, this is the amount sold. Well done, Akil. What about Izzat? What about Syekh Akil? Syekh Akil dah penat lah. Dah penat. Tu apa tu? Menari. Kata nak jadi penyanyi nasyid. Ini nak nari-nari ni. Weh, swimming eh? Okay, Izzat, can just take 120. He had 120. After 1 hour, he only got 90 left. So 120 minus 90, you got 30 lah. He sold 30. Because this is the number of tickets at the what? At the counter. Okay. What they say Akil buat ni, main-main ni. Aduh, penat lah dia. That's why so for maths actually it's very important for you to come for tuition when you are alert. When you're tired, it's difficult lah. This one now. This one be first of all, let's identify. You know how many kg? Now they're asking you for box X, right? But how many kg is this? Anyone know? Akil, how many kg is this? Is that Akil? How many kg? Just tell me lah how many. 2.4. Well done. Syakil fell off the chair. I don't think so lah. I don't know. You see, you want to close the video. Hey Syakil, you fell off your chair. Dia macam penat ya.
Yes.
How come? I didn't know fell off the chair until Izzat told me. Thought you fell off the chair. What happened? Penat eh? Yalah, you penat lah. Because how many subjects is taking, you know, you go to school from morning to evening. Okay, but anyway, 2.4 kg here. Akil, how many kg is this? 3. 0.3 cannot be. If 0.3, then 0.4, 0.5, you know, cannot be. You see, you 0.8, 8 or 6. You see down here is 2, right? 2.2 to yes, 0.6. So 1 unit is 0.2 kg. 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 1. So if you see 0.3, you can just test it and move next one. 0.4, 0.5. Salah lah. You can test. So now you got to think lah. What is the weight of X? What is the weight of X? Let us see who can do this. What is the weight of X? You already know Y is how much? Is this 0.6 on here? No, you must divide by 2. This 2 is 0.6. 1 is how much? 1, you know what? You just divide by 2, you get the answer. So you know, 0.3, yes. Oh, he said the answer is 3 or 0.3? This one is 0.3 kg. You say answer is 3. Okay, answer is 3. I don't think correct. So this one, these two, you add together. Add together, it must become what? 2.4, you know. This here is not 0.6, 0.3. 0.3 plus what equals 2.4? Say 2. Okay, we try lah. We try. Akil say 2. 1.8 plus 0.3. Cannot get 2.4 lah, Akil. You must add together, you must get 0.4. You can test. You see, you add, you get 2.1 lah. Apalah ni. So which one ni? Both you must add to get 2.4. This one, you know, 0.3. How will you know? Because the whole, both of them is 0.6. You divide by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 0.3 for one. Down here, 0.3. 0.3 plus what? Give you 2.4. Come on, try again. Try again. Come on, try again. Izzat, what about you? What about 2? You said 2, the answer is 2, Mr. Akil. Akil didn't see that. Akil, look. 2, your answer. Akil, look. 1.8 plus 0.3. Izzat also say 2. 1.8 plus 0.3 is 2.1, and you don't get 2.4. This one is 2.4. So plus what? 3. 3, 4. 2.1. Let's say we take 4 lah. 2.1 plus 0.3. You add together, you get 2.4 lah. Correct? Correct not? It has to be 2.1. You add together, you get 2.4. So in this scale, you must know how to read the scale. Then not only that, you got to divide, you know how to divide, and then you put in the value. Okay lah, still okay. You can do this. You can do this. In fact, you all can do all of this. Plank. You know plank? You know what's a plank? Okay, I just show you. There's this guy who walked on the plank. Alamak, where is it? Oh. Okay, let's see down here. Okay, you can see walk on the plank. The Walk is the movie is called The Walk. Have you all heard of it? The Walk movie. It's actually based on. I think I told you about this. Okay, it's about what's his name? It's about this guy.
What is the Walk, Chil?
The Walk. About Philippe Petit. This man, Philippe Petit.
It's about. Is it about? I don't know.
Okay, you see now. He did the walk. You know what is the walk? This is what he did. But this is not a plank. Plank is a kayu lah. This one he put a rope in between the twin towers. You know the twin towers. From one building to another building. He walked down there without any safety.
Maybe he did it at the waterfall area, that one there.
No, this is World Trade Center. You know what World Trade Center is? Which one? The one they say.
Like the other one.
The World Trade Center. The one they say Muslims destroyed. Muslims did not destroy this. The World Trade Center bombing. You know. This one. This building. You know. Now the building is gone. What? These two. These two is the World Trade Center. So what the guy did was he put a wire like a cable from one end to another end, and he walked on top of it, and people actually took photos of him. So he became very famous for that. But they arrested him because he walked on it without permission. You see, he's walking, and then halfway through, he just relaxed up here. Can you see now? Can you imagine walking? But this is not World Trade Center, it's somewhere else. See, they arrested him.
But I don't really understand.
No, this guy, he walked from one to another part of the building. You know, it's very dangerous. But why?
You can actually. You know what he do?
Just to walk, just to say that I can walk very high in the sky with the wind. No? So plank down here is, you can use it like also like a chair. Plank is a kayu like that, wooden plank. You can put it on the table if you want. You can practice your walking lah. But I'm not telling you to do that. I'm just saying when I see the word plank, wooden plank, I imagine. So you can walk. Now you need another table here lah. Okay, but what is the thing? The word is plank. This is plank. Okay, planking is different. Planking is like a crazy thing people do. You know what's planking? Don't know. You lah here na. Okay, come. You try this one. Come on. Akil, come on. 1.5. You got to draw model lah. It's safer for you to draw model. Okay, you got to draw a model. Anyone? Oh, okay. So fast, ah. But according to the answer key, yeah, let me see. What's your answer again? Show me your answer again. Akil, how many fingers you put up? Oh, you're calculating still. Draw like 1, 2.
Teacher,
Hmm.
can we have tomorrow? Can I have tuition tomorrow?
Tuition tomorrow. Just hold on. Akil says that, okay, we'll check your answer in a moment. Cannot now, you know why? Because I'm having tuition all the way. I'm going out.
Because tomorrow, Friday got maths, right?
Friday you got maths.
Yeah.
You got maths exam, eh?
Prelim, what?
Yeah, but okay, it's your school prelim. So the rest, the prelim might be other days. What about the rest?
Can I go toilet?
Yeah, go.
Prelim is on Friday.
Friday, okay.
Tomorrow is English.
Tomorrow English. Okay, so this one is 60 cm. 60 cm. Because plank A is longer than plank C by 60 cm. But not the whole thing. So maybe you all cannot see clearly. I'll draw again. Okay, I'll draw again. So you have A, B, and C. So A is like that, let's see. B is like that. A is 1.5 meters more down here like that. This one 1.5. Sorry lah, Shakil, I'm having tuition outside the house.
Aja?
I'm having tuition outside the house.
Hello.
Apa nak buat?
Cannot.
Cannot lah.
Cannot, is it?
Yeah, because I got tuition outside. I'm going to Red Hill.
Hello.
Okay, down here, can you see? Down here? This now compared to this is 60 cm. So how? You can actually cut down here lah. Down here, this is same, right? This one is same. You can also cut on here. If this is 60 cm, how long is here? You can find out because the whole thing 1.5 meters. 60 is here. So what's the best? Then from here you can do. So then you 0.6. You want to change this to 0.6 meters? No problem. Come, you try. Is that you're having prelim on Friday or so? Over already. Over. Can okay, so you find out what is this lah. Now what is this? You take 1.5 minus 0.6 get 0.9. Now you can do now. So this one 0.9. You can erase this part already. So there are 3 units plus 0.9 plus 1.5. Step 1. Step 1, what do? You take 12.6 minus 1.5. So once you minus, how much you get? You get 11.1. When you minus that, what does it mean? It means that this part here dah disappear dah. Dah tak ada dah. Gone already. This part is gone. Okay, and then you must also make the other part gone. This other part, the 0.9 on here. So we try now 11.1. 11.1 minus 0.9. 11.1 minus 0.9. So you minus how much you get? Borrow 2, 10.2. So this one now also same thing. You see this one, we will remove this one. Gone also. Okay. So how much is it now? This is no longer 12.6. Now it's 10.2. 10.2, yes. So 10.2 is for 3 units. Find 1 unit. Divide 10.2 divided by 3. How much do you get? You get 9. 9 get 3. Minus 1. Put the dot here. Bring down the 2. 12. 12 divided by 3 get 4. Finish. This one is 3.4. So what's the length of B? B is 3.4 now. Finish. B, you don't need to add 1.5 or 0.9. It's just 3.4 meters. Number 1. Is that you can see now how to do? Can okay, we move on again. The next one, percentage. You must know this one. Percentage. It's Malay books. Nowadays, Malay books are so difficult to find. Why? Because the Malays are not reading Malay books. We do a survey now. Is that you read Malay books? Is that you read Malay books? Outside school. At home, you got Malay books to read. Ada Malay books, story books and all. You read Malay story books? Are you sure? Akil, do you read Malay story books at home? No, right? Maybe Syakil. Syakil, do you read Malay story books? Malay books lah. Maybe you read. Malay
No,
book.
no.
No,
Ada this one karangan karangan
Karangan.
is a book and then
But you know, when I was young, my friends all have novels, Malay novels at home. No. Now this is gone. We even had one comic called Gila Gila. Have you seen it? Gila Gila, majalah Gila Gila. From Malaysia, it's quite interesting majalah. Gila Gila. Can we try this now? Hey, very easy lah, son. Akil, you can do mentally, Akil. Congress. Eh? But the one part down here. No. You gotta check. You gotta check. Yeah, hold on. I don't think it's correct. Let's see. It's of the remainder. No, be careful. 40% of the remainder. Be careful. Yeah, if it's not remainder, your answer is correct. So come on, 25% Malay books. Chinese books how? 40%.
Wait. No.
Good. Okay, it's good when the students say don't, means it's very good. Students want to think, very good. Izzat, you try Izzat, come on. Syakil, come on, Syakil, don't give up, Syakil. When you choose the madrasah track, you must be willing, to work harder, than the rest, Syakil. You kena berpeluh lebih, Allah will reward you. You know that. But I met madrasah students who say, why I must study longer than the rest. They get angry, some of them. Don't be angry, okay? Maybe Allah is choosing you for something big. Okay. All right, let me see whether you're correct. Congratulations, Mr. Akil. What about the rest? Izzat can do? You must find what's 40% of the remainder. How many percent is it? It says 40 of the remainder. So what's the remainder? if let's say in the beginning 25% are Malay books, so what's the remainder? 75 or 100 minus 75. 25 is 75. So you got to find out how much is this. 40 over 100 times 75. This is to find the percentage of Chinese books. I thought 75. No, 75 is of the remainder of the total books. What's the percentage? This is how we find out. So you divide by 25, you get 3. Divide by 25, you get 4. Divide by 4, you get 1. Divide by 4, you get 10. So Chinese books are actually 30%. Really, really, yes. Chinese book is 30%. So this Chinese book. English books is balanced. So take 100 minus 25 minus 30, you get 45. Now, you must understand the difference. Why is this 30%? I thought it's 40% here. This is of the remainder. This is of the whole books. So down here now, all the books is everything down here. One part 30%. This is English books. Yes, this 30%. But this become 40% when let's say you minus off Malay books. You don't count Malay books, let's say. Let's say down here Malay books are down here. Down here Malay books. You don't count this part. This one 75%. Now this one become 40%. The same 30% can become 40%. Because it's a different, right? This one is off down here, from here to here. This one now is from here right to the end, different. Okay. So 100% depends on what you are counting, what you are including. This one, okay. Last one, question 15. Rhombus Senghet square. ADC, you know where?
Teacher,
Yeah,
this kind of tricky.
sorry?
This is kind of tricky.
Tricky. Okay.
What is how to find? Is it 180 minus 40 minus 86?
No, you must, okay, now what you want to find? You want to find this part here. Yeah, make it big first. You want to find the one down here. Remember, if you can find this one, you already find already. Why? Opposite angles in a parallelogram, this is a parallelogram, are equal. So this is equal to this. All you need to do is find this. Can you find this? You can. You just find this one down here. It's okay. Okay, let's see, Akil, whether you're right. Well done, Akil. Akil, well done. Akil, you do some practice paper on your own, and you want me to send you practice paper you try to do on your own. Can or not? Sedih ya. Do together shortly. Now, rhombus is also a parallelogram, you know, but it's like a rectangle and square. Square is actually a rectangle, but square, all sides are the same. Now, can you find this first? Yes, you can. How much is it? 180 minus 86, you get 94. Now, this is 94, this is 40, this is a straight line. You can get this answer right here. 180 minus 40 minus 94. 180 minus 40 is 140. 140 minus 94. 140 minus 94, you will get 46. Okay, it's 46. And then you look, these two are same sides. This is a isosceles triangle. So this one 46 also. 46 plus 46 is 94, right? So what is this? 180 minus 94. You get 86, is it? Okay. Hold on. Where's my calculation error? Hold on. Okay, hold on. 94 is correct, right? 134, 46. Oh, 92. You add together, you get 92. 46 plus 46, 92. Then 180 minus 92, lah, you get 88. Okay. Now you must believe you can do this. When you look at it, don't be scared. It's like you want to go for a war, you want to go for a fight. Let's say lah, you have to go for a fight. You must believe you can win. You know, if you believe you're going to be beaten up, habis lah, that's it. They will beat you up. Just like I showed you the man, this man, the petite guy. Imagine if let's say now he's on top here. On top here, he feels he's going to fall. You know what's going to happen if he thinks he's going to fall? He will fall lah. He will surely fall. If he believes, because there's wind and whatnot now. But no, he believes he can do it. Have there been people who fall? Yes. You know how tall is this? Very tall, right? The building? Very tall. So have people fallen? Okay, you want to see?
So the guy really go go climb that.
Yeah, in 1970s when the
And then what, he got caught by police, is it?
Yeah, because you're not allowed to do that. But this is a new building at that point in time. So they stayed over at night and whatnot. And then early morning, they started. In order to get the wire from one place to another place, also, it's quite difficult. So they have to use all sorts of stuff to shoot the thing to the other side and make sure that they can tie it. But for them, they say this is a great thing. You see, from one to another, but this is not the building. Building is here. From one to another down here, it looks very small, right? Look, it might be 100 meters or so. No, it's very, very far, you know. I don't know how many meters, I can't remember. But how do you get the wire here? But anyway, so is this dangerous? Of course. You have high wire walkers. High wire walk dies. Let's say people who die, who fall. Can you see anyone who fall? You look at this guy. You saw that? Will surely fall. No, I mean some of them. They walk at Niagara Falls. They might fall. You see, because you don't have a way to. You cannot put a net below. This is natural punya place, is it? So I had article last time. This guy, he going to ride bicycle, jatuh, mati lah, gone case. So yeah, but why do people do that? Because they feel, well, if I can do that, I'm great. But nonsense lah. Even you can do that, doesn't mean you're great. There's only one who's great, right? It's God. God is great. But we human being, we can do just here and there. Yeah, we try next one. You can do this, okay? All right. Please try question 16, 17, one shot. 16 and 17. What's the time? Okay, we've got 35 minutes there. Numerals means numbers. Numerals means number. Very easy, very easy. Dengan mata berlolok ni kenapa? Hey, mata berlolok. Oh, Akil. Oh no, Mr. Akil. That means very simple. Ask yourself 100 to how many zeros? You just add that zeros behind. 100 to how many zeros? Just write it behind. Add the zeros to that number. Let us see. You got new answer. Yes, Akil, your second answer is correct. What about Izzat and the rest? Okay, very simple. Down here they tell you, son, mudah. 1700, 100 got how many zeros? Got 2. Add 2 zero, finish. If they say 1000, 1000 you add 3 lah. Okay, if they say 10,000, 10,000 got 4, you add 4. Million, there's 6. You just need to just add the zero sahaja, right? Okay, you try next one now. Question number 17. Altogether, there's 30 squares. You don't need to count. They already tell you it's 30 squares. But if you want to count, no problem. 5 times 6, 30. What fraction is shaded? What fraction is shaded? fraction, something over 30 lah. What is the number here? So, is that you read Mr. Midnight?
12 over 30.
12 over 30. What about the rest? I don't think it's 12 over 30. You know. I can show you, can prove.
Teacher,
Yeah, what's your answer? Shakil,
nothing.
what's your answer? What's your answer? How many over 30? What you do is, you know, right? Triangle is actually half. Half of the rectangle.
So teacher,
Yes, well done. Lisa.
wait for me.
Yeah. Half of this. How much is it? Half of this. You know lah, how many squares there are here? You just divide by 2. Because this is half what? Akil, how many squares are here? You just divide by 2 lah. What, how many? You just 3 times
18. 18 divided by 2 equals 9.
9. Okay, but
And
this
9 over 12.
9 over 30. But simplest form. So is that how? What's your answer? 3 over. You agree? Divide by 3, divide by 3 lah. 9 divide 3, 3. 10 divide, yeah?
Teacher,
Yeah.
I don't understand.
Okay, now we want to find this black one. How many squares is it? Do you agree that this
18.
black part? No, 30 is the whole thing. So we put kat bawah dia put 30.
So is
This
it
one-
8? Wait. Is it over 30? I mean,
Over
I
30
never-
years.
I mean 8 over 3.
8 over 3. Yeah. Okay, wait. We come step by step. So Syakil, no, it's 3 over 10. 3 over 10. Because divide by 3, divide by 3. What? Both can divide by 3. So Syakil, now we want to find this one. How to find? How to count? Okay, this is half of this rectangle. Can you see now? Let's say I draw down here. This one, I want to find how many squares are in red. Very simple. The answer is 2. How do I know 2? Because this setengah of this lah. This one is 4. 4 divided by 2 lah. I get 2 down here. Can see that? So I do the same thing, Syakil. I count how many squares are there. Down here there's 18. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. This one is half of it. So this one is 9. So altogether is 9 over 30. Why 30? They tell us it's 30. But you cannot leave your answer like that because they ask for simplest form. So you divide by 3, you get 3 over 10. Okay, Syakil? Gini. You know how to get 9 at first? You are dah penat already lah. Dah penat already. Can you know how to get 9 ah? Dah, you turn on the video dah.
Boleh lah.
Boleh dah. He's saying that because
Teacher, how to find it?
how to find 9. Okay, you must know that this part down here, I draw a rectangle. Can you see that the black part is actually half of the red rectangle? Can see not? It's half, right?
Yeah.
Can you see it's half? So now you count the number of squares in the red rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 divided by 2 lah. 18 divided by 2, you get 9. 9 is the black part.
Okay.
And then all together there's 30. So 9 over 30 lah is the all together the whole thing is 30. They tell us
Okay,
it's 30.
Wait, is it
Okay, I make the
1,
blue
2,
color.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then
This one is 30 squares.
10 divide by 2. So I still don't know how to get 9.
Okay, down here. Do you know that the red square down here, red
Okay.
square, half of it is the black. You agree that half is black, setengah is black. You agree?
Oh, no.
No, you don't agree. So now that concept now I'm going to show. So we try this one now. Down here, if I draw like that, this blue triangle, you know how many squares is it? This is 2. No, how do you know? Because it's half what? Half of 4. Down here there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Half of 4 is 2 lah. You say, how is it? Okay, you cannot see. I show you. Down here now, Shakil. This part, I use another color. You can see now better. Shakil. This part, Shakil, I put it down here. I put it here. And then what? This part I remove because I already put down there, right? Can you see that? Jadi 2 lah. Can see not? Nampak tak? Nampak tak? You see what I do just now? Down here at first, this part I bring over there. Watch, I bring over there. Then I rub off there. So it becomes two squares. So it's half. When a triangle is half of the rectangle. Triangle is half the rectangle. So down here you can count the number of squares. You divide by 2, you get 9. Can? Cannot. Okay, that means you need more time to understand this one. You watch the video then. Watch the video again. If not,
Yeah, I see such on YouTube. There's no view.
okay, I will send you the link. I will send your mom the link. After every lesson, I'll send your mom the link. That's what I do for Putri. You know Putri?
No.
Putri. Okay, Putra's brother lah.
Who is Putra?
Aduh. Okay, tak apa. Putra, Putri tak apa.
Who's Putri?
Putra, the very fair girl.
The
Tak
Putra?
apalah, tak apa.
Putra?
Putra, fair boy. The other day he was there, kan? He tell a story of how Kuching, the stray cat, entered his house. Izzat, you were there, right? Izzat yesterday, right?
Oh, the BTS guy.
Yeah, BTS. So his sister, every time after his sister is in primary 6, he is primary 5. After every lesson, he said, teacher, send the link. She will watch the video and she's improving a lot. Why? She practice on her own.
Teacher, that sister, the one, stay back.
Tak stay back. The sister is primary 6. Putra is primary 5.
Hey, why?
The
Yeah, I seen.
Tuesday's class, we do primary 5 punya topics. Your primary 6 is testing primary 5, you know.
Oh, he talk like B6.
What do you mean he talk about B6?
I
Sama,
don't really know.
confident lah. Dia confident lah. You also confident juga apa? You confident apa?
Sangat confident.
You confident lah. Okay, Izzat, you say that is the answer, is it? Oh no, the previous answer. Okay, can you try? What is the height? You can do this. You say volume not tested. Volume P5 is tested. This is P5 volume. I repeat, volume P5 is tested. Akil, you know Putri, right? You know, right? All right. Anyone answer? You can do this. Come on, you can do this. Is that well done? What about the 2 Akils?
Sure.
Yeah.
Length times length, is it?
Length times breadth, yeah, correct. Times height.
So what's 25 divided by 300?
300 divided by 25, you get 12. So that's the
So
answer.
the answer is 12, I guess.
Okay, yes. So down here, you have a solid cuboid, square base. Base means the bottom, the bottom. So is this square. So length times breadth times height equals to 300. Why? We told the volume is here. Alamak. Jap. My MacBook might be going to sleep. Hold on. Before.
What? So you have MacBook.
No. The thing is, I forgot to plug into the power. We got the power. Okay. So now down here, length times breadth times height is equals to. Hold on. Let me try again. Length times breadth times height equals to 300. So you want to find what is this? Take 300 divide by 5 times 5 lah. So you can do it this way. Divide by 5. See, Akil, how to divide by 5 down here? See, 30 divided by 5. You get 6. Becomes 60. Down here 1. Okay, 60 divided by 5 get 12 lah. Okay, this one is so you get 12. So the answer is 12 cm. Is that very fast? Is that? Don't play a fool, is that? You get angry, he might become incredible how. Is it true? Is that? When you get angry, you become incredible how? Okay. Average. Come on, guys. We don't have much time left. We have only 23 minutes. Somehow I feel 6:50. I don't know why. Average. Come on, Shaki. Come on, everyone. Remember how to do this one? The formula, remember we went through.
Teacher,
Yeah.
teacher, are you fasting?
No, I'm not fasting. Are you fasting?
No. I just broke my fast just now. Tak boleh tahan because got PE.
Yeah, but you are a child. I'm an
need to
adult.
be
I don't
noble for
fast.
myself,
Buat
run
madu
by
lah.
all. And yeah, I'm thirsty.
Okay, you take total of 5 objects minus total of 4 objects. You will get the 5th object. Okay, remember that. That means every time you want to find whatever object,
Is it 1.8?
1.8. Let us see whether you're right. So sorry, it's not correct. What is the total of 5? 12 kg, right? How you get total of 5? You remember ton. How to find total? Average times number. What's the average? It's 2.4. What's the number? Is 5. The number they give you down here. 2.4 times 5, get 12. How do I do it mentally? Okay, I show you now. Akil. 2.4, in order to times 5, I times 10. You know what's the answer for 10? Akil, what do you get? Just shift lah, 24, right?
What's that called?
24? Shift 1 decimal place.
20. Oh yeah, 24. Yeah.
24. Okay, you don't need to calculate. Then after that, divide by 2. Why? Because 5 is half of 10. So I take 24, divide by 2. I get what? I get 12. Can you see how I do now mentally? Because this paper you cannot use a calculator. So I want you, let us try this practice of this method. Okay, let's say now they tell you now 3.6 times what was that? Times 5. Okay, all of you try. First you times 10 first. Is that also times 10? How much do you get? Anyone?
356 times 10 equals 36.
36. Then you divide by 2.
36 divided by 2 equals wait, Archer.
No problem.
Wait.
Hey, what happened to you? You wait, it's out already. Is that you're all alone? Is that? Are you all alone? So what is happening? Something scary is happening. Is that? Okay, our friend is coming back. Akil is coming back. Welcome back, Mr. Shakil. What happened? Where do you go?
I don't know. Suddenly my computer left.
Same also. Same as. Why your mata like that? I see your mata dia buat gini. Dia macam investigator gitulah. Kamu boleh jadi pelakon. Mau jadi pelakon?
Nah.
What show you want to do? I'll make a show with you.
I want to go Jimmy Kimmel.
Jimmy Kimmel?
And then I want to go Late Show.
Allahu Akbar. Oh, that one is in the US.
Teacher, who's Akil?
He like you lah, the two Akil suddenly left, leaving with Izzat and I. Izzat for a while was very frightened. He thought it was a ghost. Izzat, you thought it was a ghost, right? Izzat thought that Akil is the ghost. Okay, come. So you know how to do this one. You times by 10, then divide by 2, you get 18. That's a faster way. If you need to use this method. Okay, we go back to this one now. In a moment, nanti so same thing now. You see, now you must find the total of the 5 objects. Okay, total, remember the average punya formula. You must remember average equals to total over number. You want to find number, average, not number, sorry. You want to find total. You want to find total. You remember lah, tan. Remember tan. So now average times number, you get the total. So let's find the total of the 5 objects. 5 times 2.4. You will get 12. The other one already they give you the total 10.8. So you minus 12 minus 10.8. What do you get? You minus get 1.2. So the 5th object is 1.2 kg. Okay. 5th object is 1.2 kg. I don't know whether you'll get it. I don't think you understand the concept. Okay, I'll give you another question. Okay, I'll give you another question. Syekh Akil, you understand what I'm saying? Dia dah penat.
I understand the 5 times 2 because of 0.4 consider. And it's like apa you said total?
Total tan.
Yeah.
Where is it? Ya Allah, where is the? I'm finding for my worksheet. Sekejap. Worksheet, what you all lah?
So what's another boy?
Another boy, what's his name?
The name Akil.
Now you ask for it, you have a karama, no? Once you ask for it, it comes out. Oh, dia macam ada karama lah dia. Kun fayakun. Ya, kun fayakun. So now, I do not know what happened. That thing has disappeared. But now, can you see? Can you see the screen? Oh, what is happening? Why is it suddenly very slow? I just deleted so many files. Okay, just a moment. This one ada penyakit. So down here, I want to give you my own question now. By the way, 3.6 times 5. Akil, you got the answer now? What's the answer? Just now while we went, you left. 3.6 times 5, remember? Times 10 then divide by 2. Just now 3.6 times 10, 36 divide by 2. Okay, you can also divide like that. 36 divided by 2, you put 30 one side and okay. If you are confused,
17.
Not 17, 18. Okay, I'll show you how. Down here.
Oh yeah.
Now you can take 36. You can divide like that. You can put 6 here, 30 here. 30 divided by 2, you get 15. 6 divided by 2, you get 3. You add together lah. You know what I mean? I hope you all know what I mean. Okay lah, I think we move on now. This one. This one is like a very common question now.
Hey, don't hang around for a hit. Just play the ball and be out.
Oh,
What sound is that?
okay, now don't worry, I'll mute the sound. PQRS is a rectangle. Do you need me to flip it? You want me to flip now? How come you don't like that? Macam model lah Syakir gini. The model lah. Wow, very fast. Who is this? Wow, that's very fast, Mr. Izzat. Let us see whether you're right, Mr. Izzat. Congratulations, Mr. Izzat. Well done. Wow, Speedy Gonzalez. What's your secret, Izzat? I'm just smart. Wow. Well done, Izzat. Congratulations. Oh, Akil also said. Okay, well done. So Akil, so well done. Now we're waiting for Abang Besar, Abang Long. Abang Long, jawapannya Abang Long. Okay, I flip lah. So we can actually measure down here. What is the height from here to here? How much is it? 12 minus 4 is 8. This is 6. Half times base times height. Half times 6 times 8. So now you cancel, divide by 2, you get 3. 3 times 4, 8, 24. What do? I will always use this way. 6 base times height, divide by 2. Same thing. This is easier for mental calculation. Then I will half one of them. Maybe I half 8 lah. 6 times 4, 24. Same thing. Same thing. I'm just showing you. Same thing. Well done to those who have gotten the answer.
Teacher.
Yeah.
How terbalik?
So that you can see that this is the base, the bottom.
Can I go toilet again?
Go. And this is the height. And how to find the height, Shakir? 12 minus 4, get 8 lah.
Huh?
Yeah, then this one is 6. So down formula is half times base
Base times height.
height. Yeah. So we put in the numbers lah. We have setengah, half times base is 6. 6 over 1 lah. Times height. 8 over 1. So you cancel one of them and divide by 2. Divide by 2, you get 3.
2.
So the final answer 3 times 8.
Divide by 2 je.
Divide by 2. Then after that, 3 times 8.
And then I don't know.
Okay. Shakir, all right lah. You can see sometimes you need to turn your exam paper around for you to be able to see better. Okay, so we are gonna back.
Teacher,
Yeah.
can I not tomorrow?
Tak boleh lah. Then how? I got cancel. I cancel my tuition ke apa?
Tak
My other
pernah.
tuition I cancel lah. Okay lah, cancel my other tuition.
Tak apa.
Rugi lah aku cancel. Because when I go for one-to-one, I will charge quite a bit lah.
So to ask my teacher tomorrow can Zoom me.
Tomorrow can Zoom. Sure.
School teacher.
School teacher.
Yeah.
Okay, we try the next one. Hold on. Now I talk. I'm hoping one day we can have Wat Tanjong Primary School ke apa. People will photostat the maths paper. Cannot, check it.
What?
You see all these schools is Aitong, it sounds Chinese school, right? So that means the schools are very good. People want to take the Chinese school paper because the schools are paper very good. You must make sure that next time you are from Wat Tanjong, orang will try to get the Wat Tanjong Primary School test paper. Then you know hebat, you see? Okay, we try now. Question number 4. Question number 4. How many hours, how many minutes are there in 1.4 hours? 1.4 hours. Be careful. Are you sure, Mr. Akil? If you say that then 1.6 is how many hours? 1 hour 60 minutes. Cannot be what? Then 1.7 hours? 1 hour 70 minutes. Cannot be lah. Cannot be. Dia dah penat juga. Penat. Dia main guessing je lah. Guessing lah. Guy. Come on guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1 hour equals to 60 minutes.
Okay, so 60 minutes. So 0.4, how many? You take 0.4 times 60 lah, dalam 60 minutes. You will get the answer. 1 hour is 1 hour. What is balance is 0.4. So 0.4, how to find the number? Just times by 60. You see, I don't know how to times. Okay, I'll show you now.
It's equals to 24.
Well done, 24, good. Now I will change it like that. Look,
Yay!
60 is 10 times 6, you know.
So
see
is
now?
it number 3, je?
Number 3, yes. But I'm showing you now how to do by working now. If you want to do a simple working, you break the 60 to 10 times 6. 0.4 times 10, you shift 1 decimal place, become 4. Then 4 times 6, 24, 1 hour 24 minutes. Okay, I hope you get what I'm teaching. We got 9 more minutes, 9 more minutes. Somebody say, how come the time passes so slow? Is it true? Akil, you're fasting, Akil. Sum what is the, you must find the sum first, then what is the digit in the tens place in your answer? Find the sum first, then what is the digit in the tens place? Aduh, why you do that, Syakil? See this guy? Habis dia kata besok lah, tolonglah teach me, then you playing a fool lagi. I assume dia playing a fool lah. Si Izzat also can do. Apalah cerita hantu ni? Yes, you grow older, you like people to beat you. Last time I still do not know why. Okay, come. Anybody, you have to add these two first. Say, please add for us. We are very tired. Okay. I add for you lah. Akhil, you say what's the answer? Akhil, I didn't see your hand. Three. Okay, let's see whether you're 3. Okay, we see whether you're right. What about Izzat? You know the answer, Izzat? You must add and then you can see now. So down here, 2 plus 8, 10, carry 1. This is 5. This is 4. 4, 5.01. Tens place, look what digits in the tens place. This is 1, this is tens. Is 0. 0. You must add and then find what digits in the tens place. 0. Okay. Okay, ratio. Ahmad Brandon Kelly. Very easy, very easy. Syakil, come on, Syakil. What are you doing, Syakil? We are showing you the. Dia tak boleh concentrate, Syakil. Okay, everyone also look very tired. Okay, never mind. Okay, I will help you guys. How many units are there altogether? You add that up. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Something is wrong. Ada mistake. There's a mistake. Oh, no, not mistake. No mistake. No mistake. See, no mistake. You do. You want total 9. You want to find out 9 units because that's a total. But they tell you that they tell you that Kelly has 24. Kelly is which one? So we write down now. Ahmad, Brandon, Kelly. Kelly is 4, you know. Kelly is 4. So 4 units, 24. Candies. 1 unit, 24 divided by 4 gets 6. Right? Divide by 4, divide by 4. Now you find 9. 9 units is total. 9 units, 9 times 6, 54. 54. Okay. You are too tired. So Syakil has not showed me a disk. Syakil, you show me the disk again. Tunjuk disk ni, Syakil.
Why, je?
I want to ask you something.
Why?
You show the disk so your friend can see lah. Your see this. Show. Show the disk lah. Tadi mana ada disk? Dah hilang disk. You can see the disk lah. Now, why is it on some windows we can see this? Have you noticed some people put the this on the window? Some put mirror on the window. Why they put mirror? Okay, dah cukup. Why? You all know why or not?
To shine the light. I don't know.
Not shine the light.
To reflect light.
This one, okay. This one actually is the belief of some people. Dah cukup lah, Mr. That thing. Okay, mirror at window. No, 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 not this one. Mirror at HDB window louvers. Where is the mirror? Sometimes they put the mirror, like you all can see that. Actually, okay, I just tell you the reason. The Chinese, they believe, this is normally the Chinese who believe, they believe when you put a mirror, the hantu will be scared. Okay? So you can check, if you don't believe, you can check on here. Chinese belief, let's see, belief that ghosts are afraid of mirrors. Is it true? They believe they believe that. I do not know where is it, but you find that there is that mirror at the window. Alamak, not this one. Salah. Okay, tak apalah. We go back to you. I do not know why they
Yeah, I just saw a ghost going to a pregnant lady's tummy.
yeah, sometimes yeah. But I don't think that can happen unless someone send it. Someone send it. Like my grandma, you know my grandma, I'll show you a picture of my grandma. This grandma of mine, she's Chinese, no? This, you see the grandma I put on here. Where's my website? This grandma of mine, this is my Chinese grandmother. She's my mother's mother. When she was pregnant with one of her child, she was like 8 months pregnant. Suddenly, the next day, the tummy disappeared. The baby, she was like very big, you know. Suddenly, the next day when she woke up, nothing was there.
What does it mean, sir?
So the Malay, her friends were Malays tell her dicuri oleh orang Bunian.
Betul lah tu. Memang Ustaz pun kena.
Your Ustaz, your what?
Ustaz ceritakan lah.
Ustaz ceritakan. So
Ada apa disuruh oleh syaitan. And then what happened then?
then so Ustaz say I told her already. So nothing happened. I just very shocked. We went to the doctor. Akil go where? I do not know where he was. He was absent. So the nurse asked, what happened to your stomach? How come suddenly disappeared?
And then the baby still there?
No, the baby disappeared. But she said she did have a dream of the baby lah, and the child. And the child, when she told me of the dream, you know, I went to Sarawak to do some documentary, right? So in Sarawak, they say that the Bomo say that he have a child with the jinn, you know, and then the child always don't have enough clothes. Tak cukup, poor. So that, if I'm not mistaken, my grandma did tell me something like that about clothes or something. I don't know. So
And then the baby what? Got eaten?
No, they just disappeared. That's what she told me lah.
Why nobody help?
How to help? They also don't know what happened. You see, let's say now suddenly.
Maksud Ustaz ada masjid lah.
Well, I don't know lah. I have to go back in time. That happened in like 1950. So anyway, yeah. Okay, can we do the very last one, question number 12? What happened to your brother Akil?
Hey, this guy lost again.
Lost again lah. So now you got to go Ustaz juga. Tanya dia Ustaz, mana Akil dia masuk alam maya? In 5 years' time. So very easy lah. I think maybe you all are too tired. So he's 13 now. So you plus 5 lah. In 5 years time, he'll be 18. Who? Peter. Peter's father is 3 times as old as Peter. So now he's 13, you times by 3. Peter's father is 39 years now. 5 years time, 39 plus 5. What do you get? You get 40. So 44 plus 18, you will get their ages in 5 years time, which is 62. Okay. So I'll catch up with you again, all right? Ken? Take care of yourself. Assalamualaikum. All the best.
Waalaikumsalam baca.
Bye-bye. Siapa tu? Siapa yang waving kat belakang?
Ada.
Ha? Brother eh?
Ha,
Okay. Okay, abang ke adik?
adik.
Okay,
Cari
bye-bye,
abang aja.
Ha?
I the only guy who abang.
Oh, you ada abang. Abang got scary eyes lah. Okay. Alright, Assalamualaikum.